Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Sagicor Real Estate X Fund is cutting back on the number of investments it makes in Jamaica. Vice President of Asset Management at the company, Brenda Lee Martin, made a disclosure at Sagicor X Fund's annual general meeting this morning.
No longer will we have such a heavy concentration of investments in Jamaica, as we're now more diversified geographically through the combination of our assets with players, which includes other territories, Mexico and the Dominican Republic.
The board at C2W Music has called an extraordinary general meeting to discuss a rescue operation which the board plans to undertake. The rescue operation is to be implemented by Stocks and Securities Limited, SSL. The company's recently released audited financial statements indicated that C2W Music had a large debt burden. In 2017, C2W Music made a loss of more than $300,000 US dollars and has a deficit of $1.5 million US dollars. C2W Music's current liabilities also exceeds its assets by over $234,000 US dollars. The auditors say from inception, the company has not achieved the level of revenues projected and required to sustain its operations. They say the ability of the company to generate sustained, profitable operations depend on the successful implementation of the strategies, including key assumptions around revenue growth and continued cost reductions. The extraordinary general meeting is slated to take place on June 27. C2W Music is a Caribbean-owned, Caribbean-based music publishing company which is listed on the junior market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. In currency trading today, the Jamaican dollar continues to slide against the US dollar. The American currency ended the day at $130.29. The Canadian dollar went for $101.45. The pound closed at $174.69, while the euro held firm at $155.06 on average. The Port Authority of Jamaica, the PAJ, signed a deal with Canada-based tugboat operators Ocean to provide harbour towage services in Kingston. The deal will see the company deploying 3 of the latest generation tugboats to pull ships to berths.
We fully expect that with the 3 new tugs that they will be bringing from their fleet to Kingston, each capable of at least 70 tons bollard pull, that we will have no challenge in handling the very large vessels that now transit the Panama Canal and into our region.
That was Professor Gordon Shirley, the chairman of the Port Authority of Jamaica. The tugs are expected to start operating at the end of this month. Some 40 jobs will be created. Oil prices settled higher today. Oil for delivery in July went up by 30 cents to settle at $66.36 a barrel. And finally, the main JC index gained 3,161 points today to close at more than 306,000 points. The junior market index lost 31 points. Among the winners today were Barita Investments, CAC 2000, Derrimon Trading Company, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Broilers Group, Jamaica Producers, Jamaican Teas and JMMB Group. The losing side were Caribbean Cement Company, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Carreras, Dolphin Cove, Elite Diagnostic, Express Catering and Fosrich. That's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.